All right, good day, folks. Today we're going to take a look at Super Microcomputer Inc. SMCI. This is a weekly chart, and you can see that our scanners have picked this one up, our Titan scanners, noting that we're back kind of at this area of interest right here into this kind of 29 to $30 area. You can see the big reaction. We had the rally, base rally pattern here that shot us up back in 2023. We came back to revisit that area. We shot back up again, revisit, shot back up again. And then here you can see we came back. You see the momentum slowing. We kind of flushed lower here. And this was in March of 2026. And then we shot up. And so here we are back yet once again. Now, another interesting data point here on this stock is quantitative trading giant Jane Street recently disclosed an 8.5% ownership in Super Microcomputer. This is through multiple affiliated entities, signaling growing institutional interest in the AI infrastructure leader. Now, Jane Street, you probably have heard of them. They're known for their sophisticated market making and quantitative strategies rather than traditional activist investing. But a position of this size highlights the firm's conviction in this particular stock. So we just kind of use that data as we wish. And if it makes sense and looks good to you, then you could execute on the trade. Now, what I also like about this area here, just through the lens of pure technical analysis, is if we come over here and look at the gamma exposure, this is 60 days out. We've pretty much got the same 30 days and 60 days, is that we've got a large put wall here, which means that dealers and hedgers will likely want to step in and defend this $30 area. Of course, we're trading below that area right now, and that's likely why we're likely seeing some of the selling pressure drying up where we are. So this $30 area is pretty important here. It's kind of make or break. We're either going to obviously, well, we can do one of three things. We can bounce, we can go sideways, or we can fall lower. Now, what I'm looking at here, I'm looking out around the August, about 65 days out. Look at a sell puts. Look at this. I'm starting kind of around the 29 strike, right below that $30 put wall. 29, 27 is going for about $1. So essentially, you're looking to make $1. Your max risk is $1 there on the trade. Of course, you can widen those out to bring in more premium. Also, would increase your risk as well. Seasonally, though, nothing too exciting. So you see that we kind of go sideways really for the next, up into August. That's another reason that I'm not wanting to just jump in and buy the stock or buy call options, because of the fact that we could just kind of trade sideways, perhaps even lower. And then by selling options, we get to benefit from that type of activity. So our AI is giving us, our algorithm is giving us a buy signal. Right now, though, we're just kind of trading sideways to flat. So what I would prefer to do, as always, is you've got these levels mapped out. You've got these levels mapped out, and you can see the selling pressure drying up as we wait for confirmation, either on the lower time frames. That can be either be on the daily, 4-hour, or even lower. So we're seeing the momentum slow down here, and now we're just waiting for the next buy signal. Good luck, good trading, and we'll see you on the next update.